That's it. You're nearly there. Lovely. Yes! In you go. Right to the top. Go on, jump. Come on, mate.
Oh, I can't be bothered. I'm shattered. Mug was moaning all night and I couldn't sleep.
Poor thing. She is poorly.
Oh, and don't we know it?
On me head.
You're fine on your own. Off you go.
Oh. Should I? No. Oh. I'm not sure. No. I can do it. Come on, Teapot. Don't be selfish. Mug needs you. Coming! Oh, sugar! Sorry, I'm on my way! Look, I'm here now. A lovely fresh cuppa for you. Better?
Just a little. But I want more.
That's all I've got.
It's not enough.
But I'm only small.
I need more.
Sorry, I didn't try. Sorry. I'll get a fresh cuppa now. It's your fault. If you hadn't been on the dodge, I wouldn't have spilled so much tea.
What? Got something to say?
No, not really. Sometimes I imagine that things are different, that I'm normal, just like every other teapot, that I can relax on a cute little shelf and have a short break in a quiet cafe and live without Mug. Wow! Is that me? I'm just too small.
Wait for me, mate.
Do you want to come?
A teapot's not a teapot without the lid.
Oh, thanks.
We've had a chat. Me and Jug and Teaspoon and...
I'm fine.
No, you're not. You're struggling. And I can tell when you've had enough. It's stressful for me too.
Sorry.
You need to chill.
Mug needs me to keep her warm. And we're related.
Hardly.
What are you doing?
There you go, mate.
Oi!
Have a good one.
I haven't got time for this.
Chill out, little teapot.
Chill out, little teapot. I'm going to... Coming! Cuppa on its way! I came as soon as I... I was...
Oh, isn't that cute?
Oh, I've forgotten the tea. I'll nip back to the kettle.
You're such a blessing. But you're too small to be doing this on your own.
I won't be long.
Surprise!
For me?
It was Mug and Kettle's idea. Things have got to change. I'm so sorry.
It's not your fault.
Things are going to change now. Oh, you're as cute as a button. I need some rest now.
And a cuppa?
A tea bag will be fine. Teaspoon's going to give me a hand.
I'm not too small. I'm perfectly formed just as I am.